Hello, Assalamualaikum friends, and how are you? You guys know really well that my name is Abdul Tal Wazil and my channel name is Tal's Island. And then today I'm showing you this new train that I got for today's video. And it has two straight pieces and it has four wound pieces. It has three train parts. This train has one engine inside of it, and this is and both of these are other two parts. Inside of this you keep storage, and inside of this as well. And now let's set it up. And now let's take the pieces and let's join them. Let's see. Okay, this piece goes here. Here you can tell because they have like one up piece and one piece that is like down. The piece that is going up and kind of down. This side is where you connect other pieces, and the other side does the same. That side is the side that has like a hole on it. That side is where you connect T's on it, so then it can whip on and it can move and I'm going to show you how to do this. Make sure that you do it so then the bumps, the square bumps that are up, you can see them, because if you do it the other way where you cannot see them, well, the bumps are going up, that means the train will stop because of the bumps and fall off. And now we have our track done, and now let's set it up. The shortest piece goes with the main part like this, and this piece that has the ladle on it goes over here. And now our rail track is complete and our train set is complete. And now let's turn it on. And look, it also goes really fast as well. And guys, make sure if you like this video to hit that like button, and also comment that down below and hit that subscribe button as well. Bye bye.